Hello students, today we will discuss about the law of reflections. So law of reflections are very easy. First of all, as we have discussed, what is reflection? When a light ray bouncing back in the same medium, that is known as reflection of light. So here we are discussing about the law of reflection. Very first law of reflection is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second is incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lies in the same plane, and next is when the light is moving in perpendicular direction to the surface, it will reflect by the same path. So here we can see that here let we have, this is a mirror M1 M2, incident ray is this is our incident ray, that this angle between the, this is normal, this line is normal is always perpendicular to this mirror. Okay, so incident angle is angle between incident ray and normal, and this is reflected angle is angle between the reflected ray and normal. So incident angle is equal to reflected angle, incident ray, normal and reflected ray, all these are in same plane, and the light ray incident normal to the light ray incident normal to the mirror will reflect back in the same path. अगर कोई लाइट हमारी नॉर्मली आ रही है तो सेम रास्ते से वापस चली जाएगी. ओके, so this is the law of reflection. After that, we are considering that we have two mirrors which are placed at an angle of theta degree. That we have two mirrors. One mirror is this and second one is this. These are placed at an angle of theta. An object is placed in between this. So how many image will form of this object? कितनी इमेज इस ऑब्जेक्ट की बनेगी? देखिए थीटा एंगल पे जब हमने इसको रखा है, इसके बीच में एक हमने ऑब्जेक्ट रखी है, इस ऑब्जेक्ट की हमें कितनी इमेजेस, कितनी नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस दिखाई देंगी? सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर द नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस आर, वी हैव टू डू 360 by theta. Let us consider this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so 360 by 60, then 6 images. And हमेशा ये चीज रिमेंबर रखिए, कभी भी आपकी इवन नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस नहीं बनेगी. तो अगर आपकी आंसर 6 आ रहा है तो आपको उसमें से 1 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so number of images will be 5. Let us consider the angle is 40 degree. In the case of 40 degree, 360 by 40, then there it will be 9. Okay, 9 is a odd number, so there is no need to change it. Even number images कभी भी फॉर्म नहीं होंगी. So जब भी images फॉर्म होंगी तो odd number फॉर्म होगी, और अगर इवन नंबर इमेजेस हमारी आती हैं किसी भी सॉल्यूशन में तो हमें उसमें से 1 आपका माइनस कर लेना है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इमेज. व्हाट इज इमेज? इमेज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ पॉइंट वेयर द रिफ्लेक्टिंग लाइट्स मीट ईच अदर. देखिए रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद जो लाइट रेज होती हैं वो जिस पॉइंट पे मीट करती हैं उस पॉइंट को हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज कहते हैं. और इमेज आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वन इज रियल इमेज, सेकेंड वन इज वर्चुअल इमेज. सो रियल इमेज आर दोज इमेज इन विच इंटरसेक्शन इज रियल. दोनों रिफ्लेक्टेड जो रेज होंगी उनका अगर इंटरसेक्शन रियल है तो हम उनको रियल इमेज कहते हैं. अगर वो रियल में कट नहीं करती हैं, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन रियल में नहीं आता, तो हम उनको एक्सटेंड करते हैं, और एक्सटेंड करने के बाद जो इमेज गेट करते हैं दैट इमेज इज वर्चुअल इमेज. यू कैन सी दैट here you can see that this is incident ray, this is incident ray, this one is reflected ray and this one is reflected ray. These two reflected rays intersect at this point. Okay, so this point of intersection is known as real image. And here you can see that in the virtual image, this is incident ray, this is incident ray. After reflection they'll never intersect each other. Okay, in this case when we trace back it, extend it in the behind, then what we see, they will intersect here behind the mirror, but they don't have real intersection. So these images are known as virtual image. So we have two types of images. One is real image, second one is virtual image. In the real image, there will be a real intersection point. In the virtual image, there will be no real intersection point.